Hi, in today's video we want to talk about Roman numerals. So the structure, the syntax is the number we want to change, we want to replace, and the mode from 0 to 4. So here we have the Roman number, this Roman Arabic number, we want to transform in Roman, and also with different modes we want to see the differences. So let's see. Here we have a Roman for this number and mode 4. Now let's change to see for different numbers. Let's see, for number 4 is the same, number 9 the same, 19, 29, 99. We have some difference here. The last one is more simple. So let's see first. Mode 0 it's 90. So C 100 minus X 10 plus 9. So 90 plus 9. Here we have 100 minus 5, so 95 plus the difference 4. So we have a 4. And the last one is 100 minus 1, of course. It's very simple. So the last the mode 4 is the simplest way of writing a Roman number. Let's write another one and another number. You can see the mode 4 is the simplest one. Here we have the same D. Let's have minus 1. So again we see here is very simplest. It's 500 without 1. Here we have 400, okay, so with 90, with 9. Here we have the same structure as we talked before. Let's try 1999 now, and let's see how these numbers are formed. So for mode 0 it's 990 plus 9. For mode 1 it's 950, 45 and 4. Here it's 990 plus 9. Here it's 1995 plus 4, and here it's 1000 minus 1. It's the simplest way of transforming a Roman number. So it's very easy to play with it. It's very easy to transform, and you have some modes in order to change your numbers. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more video. Thank you.